crocodile.
Maybe?
Atin nga yan kitang lalam, di ba?
Hoy!
Atin nga itawag kay tata dumalan noon, tata ka rin.
Moving a bit.
Ay, dahil, Luis na.
Ayan.
Ayan o, it's so big. That's
Look
all.
at that.
It's sleeping.
Look, it's Bombay. Oh, it's crocodile. Come on, let's go see the next
Tay, Lawin, may petang crocodile picture na kayo, Ken.
Oh, I'm scared.
Ayun niya, kung kamoy nakamalong.
Oy! Can you do that and go to my back? I don't mind it. I see fishes down. Look down, I don't see fish. Yeah, maybe they're dead. Oy, oy, grab mo! What? Oh, you might get eaten. Eat us all. Like, okay, but it's hard.
Ang titang kain, matutod dyan kasi ng crocodile eh.
Sakto kayo na yan.
Sakto kayo, tini pa. Yung ba ng balo, no?
Oh, it's going to eat you. It's enough.
Luis, hi. Lawin eh.
Wow, it's so
Hi,
hot.
Lucio.
Hi, wait. God. Can you go? Come on, Mama, let's go. Hello, beast. Hi. I like your smoky tail. It's so good. Kind of cool. Hate those fish. Hey, quick. Hey, beast. Can you eat those fish? They sound. They don't. There's nothing to the green wall. Let's go.
Hoy, let's go.
Bye 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 bye. Ah.
Picturean na kayo. Ay, stop ka, Ken. Stop kayo, Ken. Ay, tating squirrel kita, Luis, oh.
Mga impya ka na ito, mga impya ka na dalo ng kain.
They said there's a. Hey, Mama, stop it.
No. Wow, so much bird.
Daloy niya po itong taklanan ko, kaya na.
Yes. You might get food here.
Mukha lang na. Dito, dito. Bird. Woo! Bilis.
You're hungry. This is fun.
Where's the horn?
Oh, the-
Over there.
You look like good one.
Ay, tao. What's that?
The hornbill.
Wow.
The Kalipatis. They're here. You didn't do that. Wow. I got your hair. Mommy, you said you're gonna go find the. Yeah, you said. You said you're gonna
He
go.
wants to cookie.
Hey, mommy, you said you were gonna go to the owl.
Oh, look, oh, he wants to cookie. Oh, look, so.
Come on.
Kalapati yung bangko.
Come in.
Kaputi na pang morang nalan.
You said you were gonna go to the owl zone.
Ito itong owl, no? Tatandaan niya ni Papa Lassie. Luis, what? Ay, nanita. Si Lion.
Let's go down.
Wow, what's that?
Let's go down. Where are you? Where are you?
Ito itong eagle, Luis, oh. Wow.
What did you say?
Ito, eagle ito. Philippine eagle. Philippine eagle ka ba? Yung
Magani bike ko.
300 yata. 300. Kasi 600 yung kay Ocean Park eh.
Libre mo ako yung
Hindi.
bike ko.
Basta 300 yan. Pero pag...
Ay, mga pa kanya kahit TikTok.
Pero nung solo... Ay, totoo. Eh, yun ang totoo. Pero nung kaya, solo yamal yun. Dito? Wow! Bilis na siya ng bakal.
Tingin ko ano yun lang. Doon sa spoon. We don't know. Yes, they're trying to do by the...
Iganto ka na liplawin eh. Alam sa sila.
Yeah.
Kaya pinatara rin dito ang kinalang bansay. Masarap yung katanong. Kala eh. Parang strain eh. Makanya na yung naababa. Putang na bukok. Kitang balang may bukok man yung bukok.
Oh, yun. Ito ako. What's that?
Wow! What's that, Lucio?
Tika. Yan ka tika ko siya.
Look
Ano
at
na kayang bayad eh?
Ito ka, Pati!
Oh, water mo, water.
I thought that was kuku.
para ilang makalwag siguro na babe niya yati ng mga ano.
Oh, babe, wala.
Wow! Kuha na doon.
I'm not touching any of them.
Lalo siya. Ay, talo siya. Aliyo ka ba niya, Chris?
Kenny.
Hey, can you see some place? Getting way stinkier, di ba?
Kenny, lumapit kayo. Picture daw. Iyan mo sa pang
Hey, can it bite?
Aliyo, Kenny, talamitan kayo ngisi.
Yung Honda na.
Lucio.
Pwede mo kayo siya. All check this out.
You want that?
O, Lucio, ita.
Mukha niyan eh.
Sige, brave ko yo.
Kabila. Left hand. Stop.
I did it. Why?
Sige po.
Yes, I'm doing it. Oh my God.
Nanganin mo kayo.
He hugged me. But look, I found my mango bird again. Oh, what happened to the mango bird? I thought they looked like that. Oh! Bakit mango bird?
Ay, ito, magpapakan. Timbayad. Putang mo ng libro.
Pag may picture po siya kasama ng ganyan, 700 po, good for part.
It's cotton.
Experience
Hindi na po, matatatakot po sila.
Hindi, ito po, papigay natin lang ito. Baby, bigyan mo sila. Ikaw, baby. Sa mamatay.
Ay, tatakot.
Ayaw.
Hate the noise when they make.
Balik na.
Hindi, okay na siya. Ayan, libre naman yan. Tapos gaganda lang naman. Para matry. Try mo, baby. Bigyan mo. Ayaw, takot.
Pati yun natatakot yun, sir.
Sige mo. Sige lang, baby. Don't.
Oy, Lucio.
Mommy, look, the name is the bodyguard. And look at the name it goes.
Natakot eh.
Whoa, look at this one.
Thank you
It's
po.
following
You
me.
say thank you po.
It's following me. This bird is following me.
Following you.
Yeah. Just trying to just. Oh, look.
What na lang ini?
Oh.
Eh? Kaya anak, makaramdam na yan naman tunod mo siya.
It's another egg.
May stress niya. Huwag ko yung
I told them, look.
You want to ano?
Ating bayad. May bayad po.
Free lang po.
Free lang po. Sige po, sila po.
Ito ko kuya. Pasok mo ito.
Tapos, support mo siya, kuya. Support mo siya. Para hindi ka mga...
Good job. Ater, wow.
Look, conversation.
May basa yung pantalon.
Gusto mo? Gusto mo mag-jasa mag-simbreta jasa lang. Oh.
And me too, when I get life jacket.
Gusto kita lalam.
Wow.
O, Keta kayo, lumapit kayo, picturean daw kayo, Keta. Lush, ini, mapangita ni Tiki, makanyang mangkay.
Pinimelo siya oh.
Nung mag-field trip yun, may kaya, may sayang yan, binayad ta. So cute, oh.
Yeah, so cute.
Yung ano yung ano.
Wow! Dito yung Sandy, kyung kaya, yung Bob.
No.
The Sandy.
Shellington. Shellington.
Ako rin.
Octomot. It's a sea otter. Shellington is a sea otter, but Sandy is a bird. Sandy bird.
Galing na. Oh my God!
Dito ka mo.
Hello?
Turn around, turn around. Talikod ka, talikod ka.
That's
Yan.
good.
Hold mo siya kuya, like,
Yes!
like that.
Wow.
Okay, it's okay.
Hello, very good, oh.
It's okay.
Wow. Oh, it's like a jelly. It's like a jelly. Like a jelly.
Sweet body ko, sweet body.
Sweet
Yan.
body ka no.
Pakita mo hindi ka nabibigatan.
Oh, look at me na siya. Luis. Ay,
Oh,
strong, brave.
Buti si ano, kuya, brave.
Look! How about you? Stress na siya. Stress na siya.
It's like a jelly. Mommy.
Eh ma'am,
It's like a wiggly jelly.
Gusto mo? Ito, tatry kita, pipicturean pa kita, te.
It's like a jelly.
Kaya mo yan. Ay, sinan.
Videoya pala yun eh.
Oo, tapos picturean mo
Ilang araw po sila, halimbawa, sa pagkain po nila? Ilang
Kada 2
araw?
weeks.
Nanfu. I'm
Kuya,
big.
nakakain na ba yan? This week? Kailan huli kain niya?
Parang,
Thank you po.
I mean,
Oh, wala. Hindi niya head.
Ay, nakikinig kayo. Talaga, dos kayo, Ken. May stress nervous siya. O, bilis. Marap kayo ka ako, go. Lisha. Gusto pa ka rin, natras ka pa. Pagkat tayo itang aul. Sige po. May pamamarap kayo eh.
Cheers!
Amo yan, tinan. Eh, nakatabo rin ka, kakit. Amo, ano
Mga niya na talaga. After 1 hour ka niya, karanya balik ito.
eh? Umo.
Look! I see lion!
Nakaramlo. Sobrang nakaramlo balat.
Mama, look! Boy, that is... Hey!
Tumoy ka kanya, kiyesa mo.
Lisha, kini ka picturean da ka. Uy, apin ta sila
That's
yun.
here. That means I want the cutest one.
Silya mo.
Oh.
Party sila yun. Ay ka, Luis oh.
Lisha, ay kini picturean da kayo.
So cute! So cute! So cute!
Oh, kini, ay talawan niya, oh. Yan karando, makanya. Bala mo gelatin yang ka balat no? It's so soft na itong balat
Yeah,
niya.
yeah, the snake. Mami, kasi flamingo lang.
Kaya no, picturean tayo kahit. Dapat palamig lang.
Hey! Hey, Gumbo! Hey, Gumbo! Hey, stop! Stop running away! Hey, come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Ayan, he's playing with you.
Okay, let's play again! Let's play again! Let's play! Let's play! Come on! Go, 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 go!
Oh, piano yun.
Josie! Come on, let's do this! Look here!
Oh,
Ah! It's going there! Look at that sea! Look at that sea! He's already tired to go to the pool.
oh,
Oh!
mag-rest siya pa.
Yes, he wants to rest.